brand new bird clock! Our clock includes many bit-crushed bird noises such as geese, mallards, and robins, resulting with throated sparrow.
By my clock, it goes and hi, Mom! I want to buy your stupid clock for my cousin's human abuser named Dale! Alright, how much is it? And you have 3 Konomu. You need it to buy my clock. It goes and I don't know like this. Hello, Mary, you're getting it for free! I'm gonna send it to Dale just for you, saying that it's from you, or it's actually from me!